01. Child's pose. This calming pose is a good default pause position. You can use child's pose to rest and refocus before continuing to your next pose. It gently stretches your lower back, hips, thighs, knees and ankles and relaxes your spine, shoulders and neck. Do it when you want to get a nice gentle stretch through your neck, spine and hips. Skip it if you have knee injuries or ankle problems. Avoid also if you have high blood pressure or are pregnant. Modify. You can rest your head on a cushion or block. You can place a rolled towel under your ankles if they are uncomfortable. Be mindful, focus on relaxing the muscles of the spine and lower back as you breathe. Child's pose. This should be your go-to pose whenever you need to rest for a moment during a yoga workout. Steps. 1. Kneel on your hands and knees, with your hands in front of your shoulders and your knees about hip-width apart, or wider if that is more comfortable, and your big toes touching. 2. As you exhale, lower your buttocks toward your heels as your torso rests on your thighs, or between your thighs, and your head rests on the floor or a block or cushion. 3. Rest your arms alongside the thighs, palms facing up. 4. Release the muscles around the spine and hips and take several slow breaths. Health is a state of complete physical, mental, and social well-being, and not merely the absence of disease or infirmity.